Testing, mic test. Hi everyone, I'm Jasper, and you probably know what I'm holding right now. This is the AirPods. It's been out for a while now. It's Apple take on wireless earphones. And I've been using it for quite some time now. And here's my review. First, let's talk about build quality. It's primarily made of plastic. It has a pretty good weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap when you hold. And it doesn't feel cheap when you hold it. The quality is actually quite good. I don't see anything wrong with it. Now, let's talk about how it fits. That depends on your ear. Let's put it this way. If you've tried the Apple earphones and it fits perfectly, there's a good chance that this will fit you also. As for me, it fits perfectly. Never experienced it falling off my ear. Now, battery life. It has a pretty good battery. Maybe around 3 to 5 hours. But if you're like me that is not using the AirPods continuously, you'll never have a problem. Because when you're not using the AirPods, just put it back on the case and it will charge up. And by the time you need it, the battery is already full. You can check the battery life on your phone. Just open the case and you'll see this cool animation with its battery life. Or go to your widgets and you'll also find it there. Pairing. Pairing this AirPod is actually easy. Takes to the Apple W1 chip, open the lid and you'll see a short animation on your phone. Click pair and that's it. You'll never have to pair it again. And when you take it out of the case, it's always paired. But if by any chance you need to pair it, there's a button behind for that. So, for my thoughts. Speaking of buying one. So for my thoughts, the AirPods has been one of my favorite products that I've bought. It became an essential to me. I can't imagine a day without it. It just works seamlessly. And Apple surely did an awesome job with this one. And I will recommend this product to anyone thinking of buying one. Speaking of buying one, you might be thinking, should I buy now or wait for the second generation AirPods? For me, it's a win-win scenario. Let me explain. If you will be waiting for the new one, then you're probably going to get the one with the wireless charging case and maybe some updated features. And that's good. But this AirPod can actually do everything that you'll need from a wireless earphones. Plus, you can get a good deal with this one. So if you wait and have a budget, then buy the AirPods too. But if you need it now, I think you should buy this one. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So enjoy your AirPods and go wireless. So that's the audio from my previous video, and I'm just testing with which is better, this VideoMicro or this Zoom H5. You'll decide. I'm just testing it out. So, hello. Thank you. Bakit thank you? So that's it. Let me check out the audio. I hope you can hear it loudly. Hello. Thank you for listening. Cut.